enjoyed this fair very much. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you